All right, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do mountain climbers, which are a really effective exercise that not only works your core, but is also great for boosting your metabolism and burning some serious calories. So I'm going to show you how to do it the right way and also give you some ideas on how you can incorporate mountain climbers into your routine for better results. Let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so mountain climbers, they start in a plank position. So we're gonna assume a good plank position here, which is going to mean that we're gonna have our hands spread out in front of our bodies. We are going to have a tight core. Head is gonna be in line, neutral spine here. What we wanna avoid in this position is butt piking up here or butt sagging down here. We want this nice, rigid core position because the mountain climber is essentially a plank that involves driving your feet forward like pistons. So what we're gonna do is essentially move 1 foot at a time up here, not let the foot touch. It just hovers by about 1 inch here and bring it back. Next foot's gonna come right here, bring it back. And at speed, we're gonna start to go faster, just like this. Keeping that butt down, driving those feet through and back, just like this. Watch this butt here. You don't want it to fly up here, nor do you want to feel like you're jumping or anything like this. Your legs, plank position, they're coming through just like pistons right here. And that is how you do mountain climbers. For an exercise like this that's dynamic and fast-paced moving, I find it's easier to just set time on your stopwatch and try to do a set of like 45 seconds. You're really gonna feel like you're huffing and puffing at the end of those, and it's gonna be a great cardio workout, and because you're holding that plank position, it's gonna be great on your core as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this, I wanna invite you to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We publish new exercise tutorials just like this every single week to our channel on the best ab exercises, arm exercises, back exercises, as well as nutrition, motivation, discipline, all the important topics that you need to know about to stay strong and healthy for your family. We're the Fit Father Project. This is what we do. So hit subscribe, and I also want to show you some links, some other great videos that I think you really might enjoy. Click those as well, thumbs up, and I'll see you on the other side, my friend.